Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Moto G73, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable caller ID announcement on this device. So firstly, open phone application and click on the three dots button on the top right corner of your screen. Then click settings, scroll down and find here caller ID announcement. Choose Announce Caller ID and choose Always, only when using a headset, or never, of course. So I will use only when using a headset because I need it only in scenario when I riding a bike and my phone is in my backpack and I have wireless headphones in my ears, and if someone called me, so I will hear who calling me. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.